We drop.
Yeah.
He throwing out rocks for some reason? Ah, the zombie.
Rock.
Love, can you give him your pills?
There's comments coming from the hill.
No, I have to pop them soon. Oh wait, you're the lawyer. Yeah, I see the problem.
Oh.
Bro said
Let this little self.
Treasure on hill, treasure hill.
Treasure's coming. Yes, car.
I need ammo.
They're coming
I
in.
need ammo.
I'm hit. Please, I'm
Oh,
yellow.
no one called out the car. That's unfortunate.
He did.
Said he was that car?
Yeah, he said he was that car.
I did not hear it. I did not hear
That's
it.
okay. You were dead anyway. Boomer?
Nah, I hate playing
What?
Boomer at that fucking spot, bro.
Come on now.
You
They
just
had
gotta
an
spawn
cap
it.
up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you just gotta go for it. Don't overthink. I already played a chapter, like yeah.
just be like Flu's lagged out.
Yeah. Unplayable. Bro.
I'm ready, I'm ready.
I'm
Yo,
ready.
We can secure these guys in the back, bro. Yo, I just went through him. What?
You go.
Bro, I'm looking back at stream. I jumped on this man's head and I couldn't land.
So we're not hitmanning.
Oh,
Yeah, I jumped on his
shit.
head. Look at that. He didn't even shove me. Oh, he didn't look at me.
Dumpster? Okay.
Yeah, there's a dumpster there.
Oh. Oh, that's beautiful. No. He's stuck.
Good
he's
shit.
stuck.
Yep. I got
Yeah,
you,
Treasure,
guy.
I need
I
help.
got you, boy.
Hold
Go on.
Alright, Treasure.
Rochelle.
Let's get this guy.
Good Nick.
Me and you, Treasure. I don't need you.
Quick
no.
thinking. I told you the dumpster was there. Yeah.
And then I
Yeah,
lagged.
that's a good
Look at
dumpster
that.
there. Good work.
And you're whipping.
Yeah.
And you're whiffing.
One whiff, everyone knows the rules. Yeah. That's it.
One dumpster, everybody knows the rules.
Yeah, that's just the fun.